Alright, hey everyone. I wanted to share a quick video on how to get to the virtual learning. If you didn't know, so here we go. This is the Poolville homepage, poolville.net. What you want to do is click right up here, virtual learning. And you're going to click the blue hyperlink. And here are a bunch of hyperlinks to all the other stuff. Google Classroom. Clever is where you're going to go if you want to do Study Island or Reading Plus or something like that. What you want to do is click on this picture down here. Boom. And it's going to take you to the Region 11, Learning at 11. And what you want to do is hit grades 6 through 8 modules. And then hit 6 through 8. You can do the introduction if you want to, but here's where you're going to hop to. And for my class, you're just going to start over here and go right here. And then it's a little overwhelming, but don't be scared. We're just going to take it nice and slow. At first, it just tells you what this is going to accomplish. Here are all your TEKS, what we're going to do for each grade. So 6 is obviously 6th grade and 7th grade, and so on for 8th grade. And then you're going to scroll down, and here's day 1. Let's get started. All it says is take a minute or two and think about your reading life, and just follow the steps. Boom, 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 boom. And complete those. This is just some support, samples of support. Here's some hyperlinks if you want to click on them. And that's it. There's day 1 done. Day 2, go through, read for 20 minutes, so on and so forth. If you have any more questions, don't be afraid to contact me via email, social media. I have my Facebook page, my Instagram page set up. So yeah, y'all stay safe out there.